Yo, 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 you hear me?
Yeah, I'm
Welcome, bro.
uh,
Yo, you hear me? Welcome, bro.
uh, fucking DJ from there, son.
When you hear, bro?
You say catch a DJ from there, son?
Yeah, I call him. I must
Mm.
call it trade. You never catch it.
Yeah, me catch it. Man, catch it this morning.
Yeah. But what time I catch it? Cause I drop in at about 3:30.
You catch me later on. Me catch it at 193, 6:30.
193, 6:30. Uh,
After 4 there, so.
okay. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We about to hit TP, my brother.
Yeah, I'm going on it.
Them things that we're playing now. Right now, we're live
Still,
on YouTube.
that is it.
Them things that we are playing, man. See it there?
Mm.
It bounce right off wish palm I say it there go bounce off right off of the fair value gap right so I know it a push up. Um
Exactly.
I expect it for clear up there so once it tap right there so then me not so sure what gonna happen after that. Because the reason why I'm saying is because we're depend we are pretty weekly candle and as me did tell you, as I tell you guys, I am expecting a weekly candle to close strong above this year right there so. You get me? So if it's close strong above that area right there, so would have been good for continued buys go up. But the issue is that we still have 2 days left in the week and a whole heap of days left in the month. So unless this candle going to be a bitch ass candle will come all the way up here, so unless that candle will come all the way up here, so which I doubt, may I expect say there is going to still be a little bit of pullback before anything. Yeah, so before anything, I expect there's going to be a pullback. So more hold it to boy, yeah, so catch that trade there, and then if anything, we can see what can go on after that. But right now, we're in deep profits. TP almost hit. So how much you up here now, bro?
5 is 493.
193. Or is that small lot size I take?
Yeah. Until I say, see, the fund that I made out, if 1K, 100K, I made that work, and I end up breaching, man.
Ah,
So,
come on,
I
bro.
guess I go
Yeah.
on it because we did have you call it a buy stop, a pending order, and it got trigger off in the news, and I remember saying me have it, man. Trigger off in the news.
Jano, bro. Jano, bro. When you trade a funded account B, you can't have no pending order. You have to take market orders, bro.
Like,
You feel me? You have to take market orders. But may I say, even if you have it, even when you have your pending order, you never have a stop loss.
I want to trigger off in the news, and the thing is that it can say it can't trade in the news.
Okay.
That reach, man.
Oh, which
Yeah.
one did account have?
Um, Alpha Trader.
Okay. No, star. After we bring it back, man.
See, that's it.
No, star. Why is a personal account I use now?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, price break above there, so I want price to hold above this in the next 4 minutes. If it start to break back down or so, then we can look for right as the area we probably retest to push up. So it might be something like this. Boom. And then continue its way up. If anything. Hopefully it does hold above here so instead of come down because but overall it looking good until price probably break the trend line here so. Just want to see it push up. Just way up, way up.
Still.
Yo, big up everybody in YouTube land. Welcome to Learn to Trade JA, one of our live sessions today. Currently we are in this GJ trade that we call from yesterday. Call a trader from yesterday afternoon, and it's end up playing out basically early this morning. You know what I mean? And gold is dumping at the moment. Gold is dumping. Damn. Okay. So if anybody did up on the live on Sunday, you'd have heard me say that gold is more likely going to tap all new all-time highs and then start to reverse, which is pretty much what is happening right now. It tapped new all-time highs and now it's starting to reverse. Now, based on the daily candle, are we looking at this daily candle now to just push all the way down? I'm not so sure. So more than likely the trade from the sales from gold gonna come probably tomorrow. We'd have to wait until this candle form to see what happened, this daily candle form. As you can see, the weekly candle is still very strong bullish. So it might not even come back down, but if it does come back down, this might end up becoming a doji candle. So if it does that means that there's going to be some trades in for sales in it for us. Because price broke above this level. So could it be that price is gonna come and tap back this level before pushing back up? It's a possibility. And then the range of price when it comes back into that level would be between these two white lines. So if it breaks back into this zone, there's a great chance it's going to tap here before it does anything else. So that is what we're looking at on the monthly candle. As you can see, the monthly is still very strong bullish. So our overall bias is still bullish, but we're looking for opportunities for sales based on the fact that, all of these candles pretty much have been exhausted. So if we're going to go for sales, we can't go for long-term sales. It have to be short-term. It have to be a quick in and out. It can't be a long-term sales. So currently price is ranging in this area. If it does break out into this area right here, I'll be waiting for a pullback for price to continue to push down. Currently, it's in a zone where it's a no trade zone. If price start to push up, then we can go to the lower time frame, see if we can get a pullback and a nice like entry to the upside. which would signify that keep on climbing. But for now, price is currently ranging, has been ranging for the past 4, 8, 16, what is 24? No, 20. But it's 4, 8, 16. No, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. So for the past 32 hours, which is a day and some change, gold has actually been ranging in this area. But on the higher time frame, as you can see, there's a strong rejection. So that means that there's a strong possibility that gold might continue to push down. But even if it pushes down, it might not go very far. So we have to wait until gold actually breaks out of the range for us to decide what we're going to do. So currently, we're in this range. We want to break out of this range and see if we can get a trade to the next range. And the next range is all of this right here. So from it goes down into here, we can look and see if we can get something to right here. Lots of space. Once it breaks down into here, you have all this space right here for price to come back down. And the reason why we're anticipating that is because all of this is an imbalance, right? And typically when there's an imbalance, price tends to come back to balance it out and then push up. So we wait on gold. On NAS, we're expecting sells, more sells on NAS. But I think we're in the pullback phase, or has it grabbed liquidity up here, right? So it's grabbed liquidity up here and now it's back in this box. So are we looking at now the opportunity to continue to sell NAS? Let's see, for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 7 days, for the past week, it has been ranging in this area. And on Sunday, I did say that I'm expecting a pull-up of this area for NAS to come back down. So I did indicate on Sunday that this was going to be the play where NAS actually pulls up here, grab some liquidity, and then start to push back down and break back down to the downside to tap into 18,507. So could that be the play that we could be experiencing today? That is very possible. Same thing with US30, right? Expecting the US stock market to continue to crash, which will enable us to see more sells on both NAS and US30. On US30, we can see that price is moving in a channel right now. So we're expecting that price is going to react at some point to start to push down. So are we looking at price to basically grab some liquidity up here, probably push above here and then start to tumble over? That is a possibility. But I'm still very bear biased for US30 and very bear biased for NAS100. So it grabbed the liquidity. It's pushing down. Could this be a head and shoulders pattern right here? Price push up, created the head right here, came down, and could it be coming to tap right here to create the lower high for price to continue to push down? That's a possibility. And as you can see, price is below both EMAs, which means that we're still in sells, which is another confluence to confirm that we're still in sells. So opportunities for sales still on US30 and NAS100. On gold, we're still ranging. On GJ, we caught this move where price tapped here and now we're waiting for price to actually push up to hit our TP, which would be 194,797. And so far, the candles are moving very much nicely. Couple of members on the team actually caught this trade, which I'm excited about. So yeah, it's just a matter of just waiting to see. Currently, there are no new opportunities that I can share with you guys, but we can watch the market and see if anything new presents itself. So runs, as you can see, we want wait without wait for the candle to close above, and as you can see, close above. So now look like we're good to go.
Yeah.
So this is the only other point now that we need to be concerned about. So I would be very mindful of right here, because guess what? Why do you think I'd be very mindful of right here?
Last time it up there again. Wicked push to the downside.
That is it.
Mm-hmm.
This area now is an area of concern, right? So once it tap into here, what we'd want to see, they want to see a strong bullish move and price close above here. So even if price is going to come back, it's going to create a wick up here, hit our take profit, and then start to come down. So this candle need to be a nice push to the upside, close above here so that we can get our next candle, create a wick, hit our TP, and then start to come back down if it is going to come back down. So that is what we really want to see. But right now, we're sitting pretty. Look like everybody asleep, man. Now what go on?
See.
I look area fight, bro.
Mm-hmm. Oh, stubborn.
5 seconds left to push through.
Mm-hmm.
It's like top off fight neatly. Boy, I mean, I tell you, we need a candle for push through and close. The only issue I have now, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bullish candle. I don't know if I have any more bullish bulls in the market
Mm-hmm.
for push it through. So we might be looking for a pullback, probably, but continue for push. Hopefully that's not the case. Hopefully enough bulls still there in the market can push through. And the 15-minute, 30-minute candle, it looked good. That is it, man. That is it. Come on. Let's go. Nice break. Now just need it for push through. I'm gonna bring my take profit down to right or so. I mean 1 to 3.78, no bad. But as me say, the area would have been the first area we would have to be concerned about. So once it break and hold above the area, TP will be hit.
Good to go.
Nice piece of trade this too. Nice piece of trade.
Yes, and like the chain of the GG have it all over the place.
Yeah. I just saw the market go, bro. Like, no matter how people think say, the analysis is spot on, I just saw the market go. That is why I'm tell people say, you have to just make up your mind, say, you're gonna lose. As a matter of fact, you're gonna lose majority of trade them. But as long as your risk management intact, you're good to go. Because look upon all that trader now. A man lose $100 yesterday and could I make $278 today. You get me? And then over time, it all add up. It all add up over time. So when I trade, you have to look upon things in a scale of length. So you have to look upon it over time. This is how trading. This is how trading. You have your ups and your downs. So just like how the charts move, are the same way your profits are gonna move. You can't watch when it reach down at the lower high them, the higher lows. At the higher highs is supposed to pre. And the higher highs, I'm gonna show you say they're on an uptrend. Right? So I just saw it go. Just like how you trade, just like how the candles they move, I say your profits are gonna move. You're gonna go down, you're gonna go up, you're gonna go down, you're gonna go up. But over time, if you have a 1 to 3 risk to reward, you're good to go. Go, GJ. Nice. Come on, give us that push, baby. Give us a big push. Good girl. Good girl. So now, if this maintains above there, as I say, even if it's gonna go down, it's gonna create a wick to tap onto this line before pushing down. So as long as it can close above here, so in the next 12 seconds, as long as it can maintain a close above here, even if it wants to come down, it have a tap up here so before it come down. So we should get our TP. All right, I can see if I get flopped. Only issue I have now is that if the candle start to come down in here first, I like the fact that it opened up with a bottom wick first. Open up with a bottom. can push up, yeah. So, but if it ever start to close back in here, I will have some waiting for do because price would have to come back down and so now before it actually start push up back. I'm not sure I'm one of the trades along. I'm already hit 1 to 3. 1 to 3 would have be 1 to 3. 1 to 3 would be all the way right so. So if it start close right there, so I'm gonna move my stop loss above right there so. So if it does hit me out, I'm gonna secure my one.
Get the 1 to 3.
Yeah. So the only thing I don't want is for this candle to actually close below here. Oh, and it's the new 1 hour candle too, you know.
Mm.
Mm. Yeah. If you look at the new 1 hour candle, the 1 hour candle actually start a wick first. And now it's a flip. So I'm gonna trust that 1 hour candle there.
Mm.
A nice 4 hour candle is still.
Strong, bro.
Yeah. Yes, GJ, that is it, man. Push up. Yeah, bro, like I'm confused as to like, so if you're already in the trade, right? And you're in the trade already, and then news happened to come at that time. Did you ever breach that account?
No, I think it triggered the news, triggered the trade.
Oh, news triggered the trade. Okay.
Yeah, that's it was a pending. We never deleted.
Oh, yeah, man. When you come on
I think
to,
I must say, I have a trade like, I don't remember how much, couple minutes after the news.
oh, yeah,
Yeah,
man, when you come on to funded accounts,
so
yeah,
take a trade. Remember the record depending.
yeah, you can't have pending order when you come on to funded account because there's too much rules, you see me?
Yeah,
So when
it's
you come
true.
on to funded account, I bet you have an alert.
Yeah,
So the alert now, because guess what? If the move got happen, it got happen. You get me?
true.
So getting a pending order to me, when people put in pending order, is if like them busy and them definitely can't watch the market, but them see the opportunity. But even at that point, like me not go trade if I'm busy.
Yeah,
It don't make no sense. What me I go run down? You understand what I say? Me not run down nothing. Me not go trade if I'm busy. So that is why if you notice when we did the live them, it's on a Wednesday and a Friday. While I
yeah,
can't hit on another day, I just know say the Wednesday and the Friday are the days when I can focus on the market. So like when I'm there, for the other days them now, I send a mock up and if I'm not too busy, me take the trade. But if I'm busy, I'm not gonna take the trade. It don't make no sense. You just have to put yourself in a problems right there. So you want to know, so when you trade, it's like your focus depend on the market. Your focus depend on the trading. You see, once you get the entry now, you can go about your business. You get me? When you look for your entry, you don't need to have no distraction, no phone, no nothing. You're supposed to just wait for your entry. But once you're tagging your entry, get up from the computer and go about your business. You get me? But you can't be on the, you can't do one bag of things and have argument with the woman and stress out yourself. I have this and I deal with that. I
I
look for
look for anything.
you're gonna lose. I guarantee you, you're gonna
Hey, Lord.
because your mind not right. And when you come to trading, your mind have to right, your mind have to clear. You have to say everything as clear as day. So what you do is you enter it, you look for your trade, you set your alert. Once it reach your alert, you look for your entry, you take your entry. If the entry there, if the entry there, you leave the market alone. If the entry there, you take the entry and you go about your business. But it don't make no sense. You sit down and stress out yourself. It's like all this now. Like all this now. You know why GGIB is saying no? All right. So at this point now, you have two decisions to make. You either gonna say, all right, you want to hold it all the way to full TP, all right? Because if you hold it all the way to full TP, it might hit full TP, but a great chance of something else happening, which is price might end up pulling back first, grabbing some more buyers down there so for push up. So that's a possibility. But you know have to decide to yourself, am I willing to sit down and wait for that to happen? Right? I personally am not willing. So what I would do is I would put my stop loss, because this is the 1 to 3 already. Would I put my stop loss a little bit below this candle right here? So if it does flip, we get my entry. So I don't get my 1 to 3 already. I don't get what I want already. And I just don't believe that I want to sit down. Because if this candle close, especially if this candle close below this line,
Yeah, strong possibility to go back down more
go back
before
down.
going up.
And it's not saying the play not going to play out in it. See how it a move now? It's not saying the play not going to play out now. Because it might still hit it might still hit full TP. But that would mean say it have a come back down
Before
before it
going up.
start go back up. And we just don't want to go through that. If we never did that on the charts,
Yeah, that's make it run.
and I make it run. But right now, I'm up on the charts and I said to myself, say, oh, like that to me, I just agreed if I try hold it because next thing I know, say price just start shoot the fuck down and come all the way down or so. And that I gonna make me leave money on the market. So right now, if it tap me out, it just tap me out. I just saw it go.
So you don't think you're going to choose so good to
Yeah.
go.
This say secure 1 to 3, you're good. And you see, we get tap out.
Market can do it every day now.
Yeah. So anything it want to do, if anything, I'm gonna look on the market, I'm gonna see our next entry. Like if price come back down there so now and start to reject down there so, I might take our next entry and guess what? I make a 5 grand right or so. And when it come back, I can make a next 5 grand. Rather than me in the trade, after I reach my 1 to 3, I still a hold it. It come all the way back down here so. Probably even come and stop me out back. And then it go stress me out because I said, Jano. So once you get what you're supposed to get, bro, nobody try push it. Nobody try push it. But I want to see how the candle are close to it. If the candle close above the line, no. The candle close below the line, then I just have to close it out. I want to see how the next candle open. But I love to see the next candle open with a wick first and then push up. But once it starts to break the lower this candle right or so, I think about forget a funded account and do like a live challenge, like, you know. So get a brand new funded account, 100K funded account, and do like a live challenge every day over a period of time to see how it work out. Can be show everybody how to pass them fund.
Yes,
Yeah.
so good idea.
And then that way, you know, everybody can set some boom. If somebody I get a funded account, can basically tap in and take most of the trades, and because obviously it's not gonna be all the trades that I take I go do a live trade, but you know, most of them would I be able to take some of the trade them on me I take. Uh, and then everybody can possibly pass the funded at the same time, which would be cool. But I need to find a proper funding. You hear people talk about Alpha. Alpha Capital name?
Yeah, Alpha Capital out there.
Yeah. Some hear people talk about that. Well, Chakor, they tell me about Alpha Capital. Someone want to check them out. Oh, Shane, I see him, bro. Yo, big up everybody in the chat. All 4 people that are watching right now. Yo, big up on yourself. Gold is pushing down, man. Where could we have gotten an entry on gold? Let's see, guys. Let us do a little back testing. So at the hour of 5:05 p.m. yesterday, or was it today? Today at 5:05 p.m., gold tapped this area right here where price ejected from multiple times. I love when price actually ranges. You know why? I love when price ranges. Guess why, Ranzo?
Yes, price ranges. More than likely, it's a thing then. It's a repeat. I did before.
Exactly. People run from ranging, but I like when price range because there's a great chance that it's gonna go exactly. So like for
zone.
I said price more likely I got top right or so. It's like a react right or so and then top right or so. I see what I go on. So right off the bat, I have an engulfing candle. We can enter upon an engulfing candle. I'm gonna go up on the 1 minute time frame so the candle look like. All right. So price is right here. I want to get a breakout trade on the 1 minute. And I'm going to take it all the way up here. Don't get a 1 to 3 though. I'll even move my stop loss a bit closer. Can get a 1 to 3. Tight stop loss. Let's see how it works out. Boom. TP hit. So you get the buy. And then guess what? There's a nice strong rejection from the area we're expecting the candle to actually make a rejection from. No, I'm not opposed to taking another entry right here for the sell. Get stopped out right there. That is fine. I won the first one, which is a 1 to 3. So if I win the first one, which is a 1 to 3, all right? Yeah, sorry about that, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out. Say for instance, we risk $1,000 per trade. The first trade would be $3,000. The second trade minus $1,000. So we'll wait for next entry opportunity. Price grab liquidity up there. So if price comes, I'm looking for a breakout of right there. So for price to push down. So I'm entering shorts right here. Stop loss above there. Carrying it all the way back down. Reason being, there's a lot of rejections up at this point. So if price comes down here, I'm not expecting it to go back up. Get stopped out again. That's 2 trades lost. Price broke out of this area right here. If I see a wick to the top and then price pushing down, I'm going to take this trade. Enter for right here. Stop loss above right there. Targeting down here. Let's see where it goes. And then price is now right here. There's a great chance that there's going to be TP that is going to get hit. But even if when I reach a TP, this is supposed to be a nice one to, this is already a 1 to 3.65. So I'm gonna make $3,665. And then the minus 1,000 of the other trade that was lost. So this is a 50% win rate. So I win 2, I'm gonna lose 2. And in total, my winning would have been 6,665. And then my losses would be 2,000. So overall, my overall profit is now $4,665. So imagine taking 4 trades, losing 2, and still make $4,665. That is how trading works, guys. As long as you have proper risk management, you don't need to worry. Even last night when we were on the call, we took 10 trades and one of them will lose like 7. And we're still profitable. Lose 7 trades and you're still profitable. That's crazy. I don't know why people, the biggest problem we have as traders is our ego. We feel like we need to win every trade. Like it's okay to still lose 7 trades. Just that alone proved it last night. It's okay to lose 7 out of 10 trades and still be profitable. The profit might not be as much, but you're still profitable. You never lose your money. You make a money same way. You get me? And then on top of that, what if it was the reverse? What if during that stretch, I actually won 7 trades and lost 3. Because the thing is, I just so, yeah, what you say?
That's a more profit.
Yeah, because that is how trading works. Sometimes you're going to win majority of trades, and then sometimes you're going to lose majority of trades. That's just the reality of it. You see, when you see a trader, like one of the gurus or the great traders that you see when you see them post like all 100,000, or a 200,000, a lot of times it's because a lot of times they must show you the profits that they make on the good weeks, on the good days. But there are days when they might lose. They might lose 10,000, they might lose 20,000, they might lose 5,000. They lose a whole heap of 5,000, but them just want one good day or 2 good days. That's all they want. They just want 1 or 2 good trades. Just 2 really good trades. And you're good to go. You see the profits that you make. Just 1 to 2 good trades you need. Oh, so we get stopped out of the trade, yeah. But you see what I tell you though? Like once it starts to break down here, it's coming down here now to grab some liquidity to push up. Because price moves in waves, guys. Price moves in waves. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So there has to be a down for price to continue up. So price moves in waves, right? So now there's an opportunity for us to get a trade. Probably at this fair value gap right here. So price might come down now and tap into this fair value gap and then start to push up again. So this is another opportunity for us to make some money. Let's see how the higher time frame candles look. So the 4-hour candle is already bullish. So I'm expecting the 4-hour candle to still close bullish. But this is the pullback on the 4-hour candle, right? So therefore, so this trade we closed out right here. So now we got a 1 to 3 from this trade. 1 to 3.03. So now we'll see if we can get another trade to the upside. Patiently waiting for price to tap into this area. Once price tap into this area, we can look and see what happens, and then if anything. So this is our first area of interest. Our second area of interest would be down here. So because price can always come down here so as well to balance this imbalance right here and then push up another opportunity. So our first area of confluence needs to come right here. I don't see it passing right here because guess what? It's above the 2 EMAs. And then once it actually taps onto the EMAs, then I'm expecting it to continue to push up. Oh, wow. This is interesting. It tapped right in our zone and then it start moving up. So now let us see. I'd prefer to see a wick first come into this zone and then push up. And then this will be a drawn liquidity right here. Look like it might not push back down. I'd really prefer if it tapped the EMA, the 200 EMA still. But this would be a nice like a 1 to 3. Let's be patient. Let's see if price is gonna tap down here first. Early out, we say right so it's going to be a problem. So said, so done, price rejecting from right here. So we just want to see price retest this area. See if we can get some more entries. Probably adjust the FGV area to right so. So I don't want to see price tap into right here. So price tap into right here so and start to reject. Then we can look to take some trades to the upside. First trade, we got a nice 1-3. Waiting for the second trade now. See what can go on. Wow. Okay. All right. Push up first. Look at the higher time frame to see what going. Bro, you know what the number one the number one skill to have in trading is? Better couldn't tell.
Patience, man.
Huh?
It's a patience.
That is it. That's the number one skill you need to have in when it comes down to trading. Patience. If you don't have that skill, then you're gonna lose enough money.
Mm.
Have to have patience, bro. Now, with 8 minutes left in this 1 hour candle, are we to assume that this 1 hour candle is going to bounce from here and start to flip in 8 minutes? I don't think so. So there's a great chance that we might even dip a little bit further because I'm seeing the next hour candle open up with a wick at the top and then continue to drive down, which might come into our second area that we're looking at for price to move from here and then start to push up back. So it's a possibility that price might tap back into this area. But we have to be patient and we have to wait and see what happens because it only makes sense now for us to just wait until the new 1 hour candle open. It makes no sense for us to try and jump in a trade right now. Patience is a critical component of understanding the skill of trading. Because when we saw the rejection right here, we thought that price maybe would have moved from right here, but guess what? We anticipated that this is the area that we'd want to see price move from. So we're waiting for this area to be breached or to hold up. And right now, it's looking like this area is going to get breached. So once this area get breached, then we look at the next areas where price can move from. So price can actually come back and tap this area as well. Sorry. Price can actually come back and tap this area as well. So this is another area price can move from because guess what? This move, this low right here, created this high. And remember, price is moving in a trend right now. So price is moving up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. This never created no movement above here. But what it did, it created equal lows right here. And then it pushed up and created a new high. So maybe price is coming for these equal lows to grab liquidity down here to start to push up. So that's a huge possibility of what could happen. So we have to be mindful of that. So it's best to wait until the new 1 hour candle open and we'll see what is happening with the new 1 hour candle. And then we can decide whether or not we're going to take a trade or we're going to continue to wait for the entry to present itself. A possible entry. Possible entry on NAS. Grab some liquidity up here. Price respecting the EMA. We can get some trades on NAS. Might get some trade on NAS. Let's see. All right, GG, I see you. I see you, GJ. Interesting move. Hopefully, we'll get a bottom wick first when it can open up. And get a bottom wick first. Then we can get a trade to the upside. New 1 hour can open up with a bottom wick. Create a bottom wick. The first 30 minutes we create a bottom wick with a bullish candle, doji candle, and then we can probably take a trade on the second 30-minute candle to push up. Does this also align with our Fibonacci? Yes, it does. Price rejecting from the golden zone. Damn, man, I was expecting price to give me a push down first, but it looked like it won't push up first. Wow. Wow, okay. This is interesting. Wow, wow, wow. Come on. Shit. Shit. All right. Let's not panic. Let's take our entry. If price breaks above there, stop loss below here, take profit up here. So if price starts to break above here, we can look for our entry. We have to be very mindful of this area right here, so because price can actually reject and continue to go down. So once price breaks, what is 194.41, then we can look for entries to the upside. But price has to break above here. So what I want to see now is I want to see price come down, break its lows, and then start to flip back up. That would make me want to take. Yo, I don't like this trade. I don't like this trade. Based on how the 1 hour, but the thing is that the only issue I'm having is the fact that the 4 hour is already strong bullish. And just based on how the 4 hour looks, it looks like it might actually start to push up. The 1 hour is the only time frame that doesn't really align. The daily align, the 23-hour line, the 4 hour line. Let me show the 8 hour candle look. The 8 hour candle line, 2 hour candle line. And that's the 1 hour candle kind of just throw me off. 30-minute candle look good. 15-minute candle look good. The 5-minute candle look good. All right, yo. Let's work with this. If price breaks above here, we're in this trade. If price breaks above 194,443, we're in the trade. So let's look at market structure again. Boom. Let's go to 5-minute market structure. See? Price push up, created a high, created equal lows right here, push up again, created a low, push up, created a low, created equal lows right here, which is what I'm expecting price to come down here to grab these equal lows. That's my expectation. Then it push up and then it pull back. I know it's right in here. So it's either going to push up and create a new high, or it's going to come down for these liquidities down here and then push up. So if it does decide to push from here and create a new high, then we're in this trade. It could also push up, reject from here, and then come back down into here and then push up again. So that's why I'm saying this is somewhat of a risky trade because of how the 1 hour candle looks. But the 4 hour candle is very strong bullish. Again, price is holding above this area. So maybe it's a good trade. Probably it's going to start to move from here. The only thing I'm looking at though is that it has multiple rejections. So if this candle actually go through the multiple rejections, right, it means that it has a lot of buyers in the market to push it past here because the sellers are trying their best to stop the price from moving up further. So once this breakthrough, it should just fly all the way up. If it doesn't, then it's probably going to come down to here to try and get some more buyers from here to push up. All right, again, patience important. So this is invalid at the moment. This that entry would have been invalid. So now we'll remove this. This is no longer valid. So now this is the next area that we're looking at. And once it passes here, then this will be the next area that we're looking at. Let's look back at the 4-hour just to see what the 4-hour is doing. So right now the 4-hour is actually flipped. The 4-hour is actually flipping right now, guys. So we can take a look at the daily. The daily is still bullish. The daily is still bullish, so we're still anticipating price to actually push up. But then we now have to take note of what is happening based on the fact that we have all these rejections. Could it be that price is actually going to start to come back down into this area? So that's a possibility. Let's look at the weekly time frame. The weekly could actually give us a deep pullback to right here. That's a possibility as well. So we wouldn't be surprised if the sales start to come, if the price start to come down here and then start to push back up in the next couple of days, because as I said before, we still have 2 days left. So it could be that we're experiencing a deeper pullback than anticipated. But what we need to see for us to get into that deeper pullback is we need to see price break this trend line, which means that it breaks its structure as well. Then we need to see a retest, rejection from this area, and then for price to go down and tap here. And that will should give us enough for a 1 to 3 if price does that. Yeah, so if price does that, then it should give us enough for a 1 to 3 for price to come back into this area. Right? So on a recap as to what happened, so price did come up here, but then it created an equal high. So this could actually be a push to the downside for price to grab liquidity from this low to then push up back. So that's a possibility as well. Or it could just tap from right here and start to move up. So there are multiple possibilities. So now we have to wait until something plays out for us to know which one we're going to go out with. So right off the bat, you can see that the 4-hour starts to flip again. So right now, it still might be that we can get a trade to the upside from here. So we want to see this 5-minute candle close. So price broke out of this area and is now breaking back in. It rejected from the EMA right here. So this could be the actual move now, playing out. This could be the actual move playing out. So let's see. I think we have enough confluence to make this trade. If it is that price actually close above here. So if price closes above here, we can look to take the trade on the next candle. Let's see how the 30-minute candle looks. Or do we wait until there's 6 minutes left in the 30-minute candle? Do we just wait until the 30-minute candle close? I think that's a possibility for us to wait until the 30-minute candle close, because that would mean the 15 and the 30-minute candle would close at the same time. And then we can possibly look at our trade, because even if we take an entry right now, price is going to pull back at some point. So I would say, guys, we're not seeing a trade until the 30-minute candle close or the 15-minute candle close. So let's still wait and see. Let's still wait and see what happens. Majority of trading is waiting for the perfect opportunity to strike. So I would say let's wait on another 6 minutes to see how this works out. So more waiting, guys, more waiting, more waiting. Wow, look at that, guys. So this is good. This is positive for us. So what we want to see now is we want to see this candle close just like this. And then we can take an entry on the new, the new candle, new 30-minute candle that opens. All right, so this is a good sign so far. Let's go over there. I don't want to see the new candle open because we need a 1 to 3. So I don't want to see the new candle open and then tag us in with a bottom wick first. So I don't want the candle to close above here, which it has done. No, I want it to actually come down and tag us in down here. I want it to come down here and tag us in down here before pushing up. I don't like the fact that it actually opened up with a top wick first. I'd rather it opened up with a bottom wick first. Let's see if we can find something on the 1 minute, like a fair value gap. So we see price break from here, and it left this fair value gap down here. So could we get price to tag us in at this fair value gap right here? Could we get price to tag us in at this fair value gap right here? Then we can move our stop loss aggressively below the fair value gap. And we have enough room. Then we have enough room for a 1 to 3. So let's see. So can price tag us in that fair value gap right there? Which should be a retest of that here, that price breakout of. Or if price starts to break above 194.388, we can look for entry as well. So no, price is not a fair value gap. I'd wait for there to be a strong reaction away from it before we jump in the trade. All right, guys, let's jump in this trade right now. So we're in this trade right now. Yeah, let's see how it plays out. Let's move our stop loss to below right here. Once price starts to break above 194.440, then we should be good to go. All we want to see now, guys, is we want to see price break above 194.440. Once we can get that break above 194.440, we should be good to go. 1 to 3 is going to be right here at 194.518. Final TP at 194.762. All right, so nothing is guaranteed, guys. Nothing is guaranteed, but we're in this trade. Let's see how it plays out. All right, guys, let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour is now flip back bullish and is now pushing up. Close to our first TP, or have we hit our first TP already? No, our first TP would be right here, right? Where was our first TP again? Yeah, right here, this top, yeah. So this would have been our first TP. So we want to see price hold above this area right here. We can get price to hold above that area, we're good. In the next 1 minute and 15 seconds. We need to see price hold above here. Then it taps our 1 to 3. You guys can jump out at that point, or you can continue to hold for full TP. Currently, we're up. Good. Awesome trade. Amazing trade, guys. We're almost at TP right now. Almost at TP, and TP has been hit. First TP hit, guys. Amazing trade. Amazing trade. First TP hit. Going for the up TP now. If we can close above this line in the next 23 seconds, we should be good to go for a second TP, which is the full move of all the way up here. So if you guys want to take some partials, if you want to move your stop loss, it's all up to you. If you want to close the trade completely, it's all up to you. But our first TP has been hit live right here on Learn to Trade. This is what we do. Or you stay, Ranzo?
That is it. Oh.
All right. Everybody on the live right now, just drop a W. If you caught the trade, drop a W in the chat. Drop a W in the chat if you caught the trade with us. We have our 1 to 3, but we're going for more. Just want to see price break above here. And we should be good to go. $30-minute candle has about 20 minutes left. So, yo, like, this is amazing, bro. Isn't this the same exact thing I'm gonna show you before it time, right? You see it? The same exact thing. I told you guys that price is gonna come down here, create a candle to this side, and then we catch the trade on the next 30-minute candle to push up. I call it like, yo, don't play with me, guys. Don't play with me, man. I'm not normal in this bitch. I'm not normal. I told you guys this exactly how it would have played out. The candle coming down, it tap right here, a new candle, new 30-minute candle form, and then we get the trade on the next 30-minute candle to push up. Easy does it. Easy does it. Easy does it. Nice 1 to 3 in the morning. So we get the first trade for 1 to 3 down here, and we get the second trade for 1 to 3 down, 1 to 3 up here. So therefore, that was a 1 to 6 risk to reward. And if it come up here for this 1 to 7, then that's 3 and 7. That's a 1 to 10 risk to reward if it actually hits our full TP. If price actually hits our full TP, would have made a 1 to 10. So you'd have 10 times your money if you had caught this trade from down here that we caught in our Learn and Earn group. I called it from yesterday in the Learn and Earn, and it played out. And then this morning, we decided I'm going to go live because I want people to say it's not a joke thing with the pan in the Learn to Trade, Learn and Earn group. It's not no play thing with the pan. This is what we do, right? We win some, we lose some, but we have a plan. We stick to a plan. We enter the trade. We just want to know so we can win 50 to 40, 40 to 50% of our trades. We don't have to win all of them. But the thing is that we do end up winning most of them anyways, but we do end up winning most of them, but 40 to 50%. I know this just looks beautiful right now for price to continue all the way up. Just want this 30-minute candle to close above this line right here. Once a 30-minute candle close above here, we should continue to go up. Because what will happen is that the new 30-minute candle, if it close above here, the new 30-minute candle grab a wick and then start to continue to push up. But don't be greedy, guys. Don't be greedy. If you pass a challenge, if you reach a goal for the day, take it and leave. The market is very unapologetic. Don't be greedy. So now we have a pullback from this area. That is why this area was our 1 to 3 area. So now we're having a pullback. We could come back down, retest right here, and then continue to push up. So you have to decide now, whether you're going to jump out of the trade or you're going to hold it and be in some drawdown possible for price to push up. We have 1 hour left in the 4-hour candle. Still a hold it, Rando, hands up.
No, no, take it 1 to 3 and jump. Oh.
How much you make?
You hear me?
How much you make? How much you make? Huh? Yeah, break up, I'm not here.
I hear me?
Am I here now?
Yeah, so I think make around 3 something point.
$300?
Yeah.
Yeah, go on. So that means I make what, about 8 bills for the day?
You can take it first one then.
Bro, please to share your winnings in the group, sir.
Alright, bro.
And boast. But I still a hold it same way. Still a hold it same way. Now watch how the candle them close, you know?
Yep.
As long as you keep an eye on how the candle them close, they should be good to go. The reason why I never jump out is because even though you had this pull down, you have to watch how the candle them close. If you notice now the candle close in other range, right? Which means that if there's rejection from here, it's going to tap back this range. And once it break out, it's going into this range. So now we're in this range right here. So once the candle close in this range, there's a great chance it's going to move up here.
What's the next one? Yeah.
Yeah. So I just watch the candle them. So I get my 1 to 3. I know my 1 to 3 there. So it's just a matter of just waiting on the candles to close. Like if I wasn't watching, I would probably jump out at the 1 to 3 already. But like how I dip on it, and we can see the candles them are close, me I go and hold it. But anybody in YouTube land, I would suggest that you close at your 1 to 3. I would suggest that you close. Because the worst thing can happen is for you to get a good trade and you lose back all your money. So I would suggest that you close and you live another day. You get me? Somebody like me now who is experienced, I'm not looking at the money because I already made the money. I know what the money feels like. So I am not interested in closing out so early. I'm focused on my skill set. So some people might be focused on the money, which I don't advise. Some people focus on the skill set. So I am basically trying to sharpen my skill set. So when I see the moves, I'm looking at things that happen before I close out the trade. So different things would have to happen for me to close out my trade. I don't just close out my trade like that, right? And I don't just exit my trade like that. There are certain things that have to happen for me to close out the trade, right? So even earlier, when you saw me moving my stop loss down a little bit, it's like I was trying to gauge to myself how much money would I be in drawdown if price was to come down here, right? So that's what I'm trying to gauge. But if I was not looking at the trade and trying to pass a challenge, or I was trying to, get some money, I would keep my stop loss right here and I put a stop loss because, I have enough capital on my account to hold the trade all the way down here if it needed to come. But not everybody have the same amount of capital. So because I have the capital on my account, I was willing to hold it a little bit longer instead of closing out early. But if you don't have the luxury of the capital, you have a stop loss. So even if you lose, you have the opportunity to make more money the second time around. All right. So now you have the second candle right here. So what we want to see is we want to see this second candle hold above in this area, in this zone. Once it closes above in this zone, then it should be good to move up to 194.638. So that's where we are right now. Anybody in the chat still holding? Who in the chat still holding? Or everybody close out? Anybody in the chat? YouTube land, anybody still holding? Guys in YouTube land, please to give me a thumbs up, please and thanks. Leave a comment in the comment section, not the chat, but comment on the video itself when the video has ended, please. I'm not gonna stay past 11 o'clock. So by 11 o'clock, I'm going to be logging out, guys. Got 2 great trades today, 2 nice trades today. So we're good to go. So there you go, bro. It's all good. We get to the next time around. Guys, please to leave a like on the video, please. Leave a like on the video. Also, remember, we have the Learn and Earn group. The link is in the chat. So if you want to join the Learn and Earn group, or we do live trades like this and mock-ups every day, basically. You can click the link and join. It's only $67 per month. Only $67 per month. As you can see, price is still following market structure: high, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now it's creating a higher low to create a higher high, then create a higher low, create a higher high, higher low, higher high. Market is moving with good market structure. So that is why I'm not too worried when I say pullbacks. Only way I'll be concerned is if I see start price break right here and then start to reject from here. That's when I'll start to be concerned. But as long as price don't break right here, I'm good. And then when this moves up, as long as price don't break right here, I'm good. So what I want to say now, I want to say price break above here. Price break above here, then we can expect price to come back down. As long as it don't break and then start to reject from here, I'm going to be holding the trade to continue to push up. So as long as you understand price action, you'll be good to go. Don't have to be worrying and fretting and jumping in and out of trades. Whole heap of free gems my drop on you today. Join Learn and Earn. You get a lot more, guys. Can do this all on your own at some point. Give yourself 6 to 12 months. You'll be a profitable trader for sure. But guys, we had an amazing day today. An amazing trading day today. Not every day is like this, but when the days like this come, we are happy for it. So what we saw today is we saw price give us an entry that we called in the learn and earn group from yesterday. I call this. Price came back to our area of interest. We jump in the trade and we're able to get a nice 1 to 3. So price push up and then it came back and knocked us out in a 1 to 3. And now we expected that price will continue to push up and we waited for price to come down. It came down, created a low right here, came back in here, and then we got our entry on the wick of this candle right here, and now it's pushing up. And we got our 1 to 3 from this. So yeah, so it's a beautiful day, beautiful trading day. And you know, that's it. Hope you guys appreciated the content. Hope you guys appreciated being here with me today. I might be doing a couple more of these live sessions on YouTube, but if you want to do real live sessions with us, join the Learn and Earn group. The link is in the chat. Just click on the link. It's only $67 per month, where you'll be able to see me take live trades. You'll be able to learn my psychology, see what I'm thinking, and be able to learn. And while you're learning from me, you're able to actually earn as well. So you can take the same trades that I'm basically taking on a day-to-day basis, right? So unlike most people that call them thing learn and earn, them just send you a signal. We do live trading. So you're able to actually see what's happening. All right. So we got a nice 1 to 3 right here. I think that's it for the day. Let's call it a day on that. All right. So thanks a lot, guys, for joining me. Please, guys, please, my beg you, just give me a thumbs up on this video and leave a comment when the video is actually uploaded. And please go through the other videos. Yo, I have a lot of content on this so far that has a lot of value, guys. Please go and watch the videos, right? Click on the videos that you're seeing and then just watch them, like them, comment on them, right? So I can make more videos like this for you, more free content for you guys. All right, so I appreciate you guys being here. I'm about to log out right now. Please to enjoy the rest of your day, and thanks a lot, guys, for chilling with me, all right? So until next time, big up. Ranzo, big up yourself, bro.
Yeah, man, big up there.